Upwork is a freelance website where people can connect with freelancers from all over the world. The global freelancing market was valued at $119 billion in 2021 and is expected to grow to $263 billion by 2027. It's growing faster than the GDP of some countries. And Upwork is one of the largest marketplaces for freelancers, so it has a lot of potential to make good money. But the question is, how much money can you actually make? I personally know someone who makes around $40,000 per month using Upwork. Let me explain how. He got started by creating an account and uploading his portfolio. He had experience in graphic design and web development, and according to his skill level, he set his price for logo design at $250. This is just an example. If you're just starting out, don't go setting your prices that high. He then created a few portfolios showcasing previous work. Then he just waited for clients to come to him. And so far, he has worked with dozens of different clients. According to Upwork statistics, freelancers earn an average of $38 per hour. And there are thousands of job postings every day. Just imagine if you charge only $250 per hour. You would make $10,000 per month. And if you have multiple clients paying you $250 every week, that would be 40 hours times 52 weeks equals $2,800 per year. That's why I said Upwork can help you make really good money. But here's the thing. You need to be able to do something valuable. For example, if you're a writer, you can get paid for writing blog posts, ebooks, social media content, website copy, and more. If you're a designer, you can create logos, brochures, business cards, product mockups, UI/UX designs, and the list goes on. If you're a developer, you can build websites, landing pages, mobile apps, software, and so on. But even if you're not good at any of those things, you can still find something to do. As long as you search hard enough, you can even start with small tasks that pay $10, $20, $50, $50. And as you gain experience, you can gradually increase your prices. Etsy is one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms out there. In the first quarter of 2022, Etsy's revenue was up 35% from the same period last year. That's huge. Now there are two ways you can make money on Etsy. No? 1. You can sell digital products on Etsy and keep 100% profit. For example, Printify allows you to create a t-shirt store without buying any inventory. You can upload designs to Printify, select a t-shirt, and set your price. And if someone buys your t-shirt, you get paid while Printify handles the printing and shipping. Another option is to sell SVG files. Think of SVG files like blueprints for cutting machines like Cricut and Silhouette. So, for example, if you're good at designing logos and graphics, you can create SVG bundles for crafters and small businesses. Or maybe you're really good at art and you love to draw animals. Well, you can upload the outlines of your drawings and sell them as SVG bundles. Or maybe you're not good at drawing or designing. Well, you can hire someone else to do it for you and keep the profit. There's a guy who spent only $100 to create a basic sticker bundle. He then spent $10 to promote the bundle, and guess what? He made $300 in the first week, $900 in the second week, $2,700 in the third week, and he continued to make around $3,000 per week ever since. But most people want to sell physical products on Etsy because that way they can collect sales tax. But that comes with a big problem: inventory. You will need to buy inventory, and that means spending thousands of dollars up front. You could try dropshipping, but then you have to find a reliable supplier, a good product to sell, and you will also face a lot of competition. The easiest way is just selling digital products. Even better, you can create one digital product and sell it infinitely many times. Like, let's say you spent $100 to create a great ebook. Then you can sell it for $10 each and make $6,000 in profit. Medium Partner Program is another platform that pays writers and publishers for creating content. So basically, you write articles and earn ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and membership fees. When I first heard about this, I thought it was a scam. but it turns out it's not. So when you join the Medium Partner Program, you get access to an online writing platform that allows you to reach a wide audience. And the more people that read your articles, the more you get paid. But the question is, how much money can you make? A lot of people claim that they made hundreds of thousands of dollars using Medium, and that is true. For example, this guy named Tim Denning makes millions of dollars per year. He didn't even finish high school. But today, he's a best-selling author, international speaker, and entrepreneur. He built his empire using Medium. He would publish 2 to 3 articles per week, and sometimes he would uneven spend more than an hour writing each article. Over time, his articles started to go viral, and he earned over 1 million followers. Now, he earns over $5,000 per month from Medium alone, and the majority of his income comes from affiliate marketing. He promotes offers for companies like Skillshare and Amazon and gets a commission for every sale he generates. If you look at other popular Medium writers, they're getting paid thousands of dollars per month. One writer makes $4,000 per month, another one makes $10,000 per month. There are even writers making over $20,000 per month. I'm sure you've heard of YouTube before. Chances are you've spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos. But did you know that you can get paid to watch videos? Let me explain. There's a service called YouTube Viewer, and all you have to do is watch YouTube videos and complete short surveys. You'll get paid per survey. Of course, the big question is how much money can you make? You can expect to earn around $10 to $15 per survey, and you can cash out via PayPal. Here's the thing though, you probably won't make a full-time income doing this. You probably have to watch dozens of videos per day to make a few $100. So it's not going to replace a real job, but you can use it as a side hustle to make some extra cash. Or maybe you're starting a channel so you can promote offers through video and earn commissions. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, because there are tools that make it super easy to create professional-looking videos. You can use a free tool to create videos with ease. They have tons of templates that you can customize. It's really intuitive and easy to use. And the best part is, you don't have to worry about copyright issues because all the footage is licensed specifically for commercial use. But if you want to add your own footage, you can do that too. You can import your own videos, images, and audio, and then edit them using their drag-and-drop editor. You can trim clips, duplicate them, rearrange them, and add transitions. Or maybe you want to add subtitles to your videos. Well, you can do that too. All you have to do is click on the Captions tab and select the language. And if you want to take your videos to the next level, you can use their advanced editing features. You can change the aspect ratio, crop videos, remove backgrounds, stabilize footage, and so on. Once you're done editing, you can download the video and upload it to YouTube. And do you forget to add a link to the offer you're promoting so you can start earning commissions. And now for no. 1. We have Fiverr. So Fiverr is a platform that allows people to sell their services for $5. And the reason why it's so effective is because it's extremely easy to use. With Fiverr, you can create a gig in minutes and start making money right away. So you can think of gigs like digital products. For example, you can create a gig that offers resume writing services for $5. Or maybe you're good at Facebook ads, so you can create a gig that helps businesses run successful ad campaigns. Or maybe you're a graphic designer, so you can create a gig that offers logo design. The possibilities are endless. People are making $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month. So the sky is the limit. And the best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. To get started, simply create an account and upload your portfolio. This will showcase your skills and experience and help you stand out from the competition. Once your account is set up, it's time to create your gig. Start by giving your gig a catchy title and description. This will help potential buyers find your gig and understand what you offer. Be sure to use keywords that buyers might use when searching for your service. Next, set your price. Keep in mind that you can adjust your price later on. Once your gig is live, it will appear in the Fiverr marketplace where potential buyers can browse and purchase your services. Drive traffic to your gig by promoting it on social media or through email marketing. As you build up a positive reputation with great reviews and ratings, you'll start receiving more and more orders. And don't forget to raise your prices as you gain more experience and demand. So there you have it, the 5 best websites to make money. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips.